Hello, my name is Margaret Duncan. I'm the principal lawyer here at Duncan.Legal. Duncan.Legal is a small legal practice based in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Our main area of work is in estate planning, the creation of wills, powers of attorney and trusts, and also the provision of advice in relation to issues of mental capacity and decision making. We have a special focus here on disability. Our team members all have disability in their own family units, and in addition to providing an excellent legal service, we like to think that we bring an empathy and an understanding of the issues that go day in, day out with having disability in your family. So it's our passion to support people with disability in their family mix or who grapple with it as themselves. And we aim to bring peace of mind, to help you put protective structures in place that will help you sleep at night, and to also talk about empowering options for persons with a disability to live a more autonomous and dignified life. The purpose of this video clip is to introduce my webinar on special disability trusts. This webinar will cover what a special disability trust is and help you to determine whether it's a trust type that is relevant to your family circumstances, and if so, give some tips on how to set one up. So it contains a lot of information around special disability trusts that is really useful in terms of determining whether it's an option for your family or not. In particular, the webinar will address what a special disability trust is. How do you determine whether your family member with a disability is eligible to be a beneficiary of this trust? What the limits are, the financial limits for assets in this trust? What the advantages and the limitations are by using this trust structure? It will look at whether an inheritance should be self-funded or whether you need to continue to rely on government support. We'll look at the timing of setting up this type of trust and how gifts are to be made to the trust, and also Centrelink gifting rules for particular people who are on pensions. So we look at the practical tips, how it's set up, how it can be operated, and how it comes to an end at the end of the day. I really recommend this webinar if you are looking at a special disability trust and your person with a disability has a severe disability and can't work. It is really informative, and I think you'll find it very valuable. To access this webinar, it can be purchased through my website, or you can contact Duncan.Legal reception and we can organise for a link to be sent to you. Thank you for your time and attention, and I wish you and your family very well going forwards.